Welcome, gaming enthusiasts. Today, get ready to witness the ultimate gaming PC build, a jaw-dropping $5,000 powerhouse. Let's see if we can hit the $5,000 mark. Let's unveil the components and see how close we got. Before that, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Our gaming beast is equipped with the most powerful NVIDIA RTX 4090, a true marvel designed to push gaming to new heights. With an astonishing 8,192 CUDA cores and a staggering 24GB of GDDR6X VRAM, this GPU ensures unparalleled gaming visuals. Price: $1,700. To complement the mighty GPU, we have the Intel Core i9 13900 kFarads CPU as the brain of the beast. With 12 cores and 24 threads, this CPU handles multitasking and gaming like a champ. It's paired with the prestigious Asus ROG Maximus motherboard, providing top-tier performance and reliability. Price of CPU: $550. Price of motherboard: $600. We've got the incredible NZXT Kraken Elite water cooler, ensuring that our system stays cool and runs at peak performance. The advanced cooling technology keeps our CPU icy cool during even the most intense gaming sessions. Price: $299. Prepare for mind-blowing multitasking with 64GB of Corsair Vengeance DDR5 RAM. With a high-speed memory clock, this RAM ensures seamless performance and the ability to handle any task with ease. Price: $230. For storage, we have the lightning-fast 2TB Samsung 990 PRO SSD, offering incredible read and write speeds. Say goodbye to long loading times and hello to smooth gaming experiences. Price: $200. Ensuring our gaming rig gets all the power it needs is the NZXT C1200 PSU, delivering a robust 1,200 watts of stable performance. This power supply can handle our high-performance components with ease. Price: $220. All of these incredible components are housed in the mesmerizing Lian Leo 11 dynamic PC case, designed to captivate with its aesthetics. This case provides ample space for excellent cable management and cooling options. Price: $160. With these top-end components, we managed to build this formidable gaming PC for $4,019. But you know what? We couldn't resist going the extra mile to truly unlock its full potential. So, to hit the $5,000 mark, we decided to enhance the gaming experience with some top-tier peripherals. First up, the Samsung Odyssey 670A 144Hz 4K monitor, delivering stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. Price: $680. We're pairing this setup with the Logitech G915 keyboard, offering a satisfying typing experience. And the Razer Viper V2 Pro mouse, delivering speed and precision. Price of keyboard: $170. Price of mouse: $130. With these top-end components and peripherals, our final total cost comes to $4,999. This Overkill gaming PC delivers an unrivaled gaming experience at the highest FPS and incredible graphics. At $5,000, this PC would stand as an Overkill gaming beast, designed to provide an extraordinary gaming experience that leaves no room for compromise. Let's remember, $5,000 is a significant investment, and these components and peripherals represent the best of the best in the gaming world. If you're excited to see this beast in action, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech content. Let us know in the comments what you think of this $5,000 Overkill gaming PC. Until next time, happy gaming, and we'll catch you in the next video.